What's up, friends? Today I want to show you my watercolor sketchbooks. These are somewhat unique because they actually belong to my daily challenges, which are part of my Watercolor Mastery membership program. And the daily challenges are Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Every week I release 3 brand new videos with really simple painting projects that are anywhere between 15 and 25 minutes long. So they're painted pretty quickly, and I'm starting quite a collection of all these paintings because we're filling a whole year's worth. So today I wanted to do a quick sketchbook tour to show you some of the many daily challenges that are offered in the Watercolor Mastery membership. I love these Strathmore watercolor travel journals. Now, recently they have become unavailable, and I'm really hoping Strathmore didn't stop making them because they're my total favorite. They are 20 pages, so you can do 20 paintings in each one. Because they're the 500 series, they're 100% cotton, which is fabulous. And I know Strathmore still has the 500 series of paper. They make different sized pads of paper, like 8x10 and I think 6x8. But these little journals have just been the best, so I'm really hoping they'll bring them back. So with all the daily challenges, we include swatches of all the colors that are used in the projects, and we try to keep them really simple. The value of adding swatches to your paintings is that you can easily go back to your sketchbook and use them as reference to see what colors you used, what mixes you made, and that can be so helpful if you want to copy or replicate those same colors in a different painting. So most of these are just single subjects, as you can see. This one is an introduction to wet and wet, dropping colors into the wet flowers. These are different washes. These are actually from my 30 Days to Watercolor beginner course. And I've just stuck with this paper because I love it. Everything seems to turn out great on this paper. This one took a lot longer than the normal daily challenges. I think this one was like an hour just to sketch and paint it. Architecture, you know. And many of these are themed. They go along with holidays during the month. So these are from the November daily challenges. And just a few more. This journal is not quite finished yet, but these are going to be in the December daily challenges, and I'm really excited to share all those with my students. So that was just a fun little glimpse into our daily challenges offered on the Watercolor Mastery membership. They'll come with a reference photo and a traceable line drawing and a complete list of the supplies used, along with substitution cheat sheets if you don't have those exact colors. Head over to my website, emilyolsonart.com, and you can sign up to be a member. And I'm always offering free content here on YouTube as well. If you're enjoying this content and haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think of those daily challenges. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.